Hello all, this is the code for MapReduce function. MapReduce, as you may know, it will map the same number of instances which is having in a particular data set or something, and then it will reduce by using the reducer function. So MapReduce will have two functions like mapper and reducer. So map will map the that is same number of entries, and reduce will reduce function. So initially we are using this data set I have with this, so we can just move it to the folder which we are having the code. So now I'm just opening it. Since it is a large file, it will take some time. Why I'm opening over here means to just see the difference between previous. This is the original data set. So after we have reduced, we have to see what is the size of the data set. So to show the difference of the data set only, now I'm opening the original data set. So the original data set is having more than uh, 1 lakh entries. So here if you see the features also, it is having nearly till AX. So it is having till AX. So this is the data set details. So now I'm just closing it, and now we can to mapper and reducer, we have to declare two sub functions. This is for the reducer and this is for the mapper. So this code here what are the features you want and what are the within which the variables you want, you have to give this as rules in mapper. That same rules it will be called over by a reducer, and using this rules it will just reduce the function. So previously we saw more than 1 lakh entries in the original data set, and moreover it was having nearly features AX, but here we are just selecting only some number of features which we needed. So then we are calling the subsetting mapper function and subsetting reducer function over here. This code I am just running with MATLAB or 2019A version. So if you are working with some other version means if you are receiving any issues, it may be due to it may be due to compatibility issues and some other issues with the data set also. So now I am going to display the results, and I'm just calling it in the table TBL2, and it will be saved over here. So now we can just run this code, and then we can see that the table, and we can see the difference between the original and the here I have given some spelling mistakes, so only the file not error found error is coming. So now once it has run, by checking the output, that is tbl2.mat function, we can just now we can just delete this because it will be created new. Since we have given a save function, it will be created new once this code has end. If it is not means we can rerun. Why? Because now we have deleted, so sometimes that there is some possibilities to delete that also, so we can just rerun. Yeah, we can see the code has completed, and the table has also created. Previously in the table which we saw, it was having more than uh, 1 lakh entries. Here to open the mat function, we have to load it, and now we can see. Yeah, previously it was having nearly AX, so more than 26, 27 features it was having, but features now it was having only 15 since we just reduce some features. So then now can move beyond to the entries. It was having nearly 1 lakh entries, but now you can see it was having nearly 20,588 entries. So by MapReduce we can just reduce a big data set if needed. In case of if you have to reduce it as mix, you can, or else as you wish. So this is the use of the MapReduce function. In the next video we can see some other code. Thank you.